Hey guys, Cody Gertz here, and welcome to another Facebook marketing video in my video series. And if you haven't yet, I hope you guys are getting some value from my YouTube videos, so please subscribe to my channel above, and I'll keep putting content out for you guys. Okay, so and in this video, I want to show you guys how you can actually collect leads for your email list right on Facebook's platform. Okay, so the benefit of this is people don't like to leave one platform and go to the other. Okay. So you're keeping people on Facebook, but essentially you're collecting their information, and you can actually attach it to your own email list. Okay, so essentially it's so much faster. People feel more comfortable staying on the same platform to put in their information. Okay, so this is business.facebook.com. You guys are going to come back here, and you're going to go to this drop down, and then you're going to click Ads Manager, and it'll open up your Ads Manager just like this. You're going to click Create Ad. Okay, so essentially you're going to start out just creating an ad just like you normally would, any other Facebook ad. And then you're going to click Lead Generation right here. Okay, you can name your campaign whatever you want. I'll just keep it Lead Generation for video purposes. Your ad set name, like I said, this is basically just creating a Facebook ad like normal. Put in your audience, set your budget, click continue, and then on this page is where you can start setting up your lead form. Okay, so put your images in there if you want to do a single image, whatever. And then you're going to come down here, and then you'll see a lead form. Okay, I'm going to make my face a little bit smaller. You guys can see how this works. Okay, so you're going to create a new form, and then once you do this, you're going to have a welcome screen that comes up. Okay, and your headline is going to be something simple. Just say welcome. You guys can create this however you want to, but this is just an example. And then you can select from your ad, or you can upload an image. And I'm going to upload an image. So I'm just going to do like a basic one. And it'll give you a preview over here. Okay, and then let's just say you can change your layout of this. You can do bullet points. So you can say something like learn to make $1,000 in 24 hours on Facebook. And then receive a free ebook on Facebook marketing. Okay, and then you can preload whatever sort of, gosh, I'm going to put my face in a better place. You guys can preload whatever bullet points you want, or if you don't like bullet points, then go with a paragraph and just say something like, great, you're almost ready to receive your ebook, teaching you how to 10 times your Instagram growth. Something like that. And then just say, click the button below to get started. Okay, so just something super duper simple like that. And then what's kind of nice is you can kind of create your own capture page essentially, but it stays on Facebook. Okay, so your button text is going to say like, get my ebook now, something like that. Okay, so these are just examples. You guys can create it however you want to. All right, now under your questions tab, you just click the questions tab. Get out of the way here. In your questions, you guys can add whatever sort of questions you want to. If you guys need more information than an email and a name, then you can add more, but I suggest not doing that because people like simple. Okay, they like simplicity. They like to be able to put in their email and their name. That's what they feel comfortable with. Okay, so even when you go in here, look at how many options you have. You can collect a complete demographic on them if you want to, but I think it's really unnecessary, and honestly, it doesn't convert as well. So great tool to use to collect leads quickly. And I'm actually going to shoot another video showing you guys how to hook up your autoresponder list to this lead generator. Okay, so select the options that you guys want here, and then a privacy policy is kind of a big deal. You guys are going to be collecting personal information from them, so you actually need to come up with a privacy policy. And what I did, instead of typing out my own privacy policy, I just went to Google and searched for one, and just kind of sculpted it around my business, and sculpted around my brand and my stipulations. And I mean, they have templates for privacy policies, so it's super simple. You guys will be able to just copy and paste and load one in here. And if you don't have one, you can. Pretty sure you can get a domain pretty cheap. Like just go to namecheap.com and buy a domain, and you just put your link URL in here and make sure that it shows a privacy policy down here. See where it says Cody Gertz's privacy policy? Yours will show up there, and then just make sure you name it. So you just hit this, add custom disclaimer or whatever. Okay, and then your thank you screen. Your thank you screen can be pretty important. You can actually put a website link on here. Well, that's what your button leads to at the end. So that's how you get people in. It says, thanks, you're all set. And then this would say something like, let me see here. Okay, so it's a preloaded text in here. It says your info has been sent to Cody Gertz. Tap below to visit Cody Gertz. Okay, so that's just like a template for me to as a preview. And then just put your website in here wherever you want to lead them to. Okay, so if you're starting them off with a lead magnet, teaching them how to grow their Instagram page, and then maybe lead them to your website after that. That teaches them more about Instagram. Okay, so make sure when you're doing this, you're always staying congruent throughout your pages and throughout your funnel. All right, so that's how you guys create leads right on the Facebook platform. I've created up to 38 leads in a day using this. I'll do that later. But anyway, so I hope you guys got some value from that, and use that. Run an ad like that, and make sure you're testing. Make sure you use different welcome pages or welcome screens. Make sure you use different questions and different privacy policy and different thank you screens and stuff like that. Okay, make sure you guys are always testing and tracking your pages and your ads. All right, so hope you guys got some value. Please subscribe to my channel if you did, and I will see you guys on the next video.